Jordan brand continues its tradition of college-inspired colorways into 2026 with the Jordan Spizike Low Michigan. Following previous school-themed releases tied to UNC, Georgetown, and Florida, this pair taps into the iconic maize-and-blue palette of the Michigan Wolverines. The shoe features a clean sail leather upper that acts as a neutral base, allowing deep navy accents to stand out on the wing eyelets, heel panel, and parts of the midsole. Bright maize details appear on the collar lining, lace wings, Jumpman branding, and midsole trim, giving the sneaker its unmistakable Michigan identity. Staying true to the Spizike DNA, elephant print overlays wrap the toe and heel, referencing the Air Jordan 3 and Air Jordan 4. Mesh panels and visible air cushioning keep the design rooted in performance, while the low top cut enhances everyday wearability. The Jordan Spizike Low Michigan is expected to release in the first half of 2026 via Jordan brand retailers and Nike.com.